Hello children, I am Priya Tripathi, your English teacher. I hope you all are well at home. Today in English literature, we'll study the poem It Was the Night. It's really a very funny poem, children, and it is related to Big Bang Theory. So let's study about the poet first. John Ciesica, born September 8, 1954, is a humorous storyteller who has collaborated with the illustrator Lane Smith to produce a number of best-selling picture books as a national ambassador for young people's literature. Ciesica encourages children to read and become better students and better humans. Ciesica founded Guys Read, a web-based literacy program to help boys become self-motivated, lifelong readers. So let's discuss about the poem. It was the night before anything and all through deep space. Means the poet wants to say he is talking about the night when nothing was there. And it was only a deep, deep space. Nothing existed at that time. Time was also not there. Nothing matters at that time. And no place was there. No stockings means it is related to clothes of people. Nothing was there, no chimneys because no house was there, so how chimneys can be. It was hotter than hot, means the space, whatever the space was, it was very hot. Everything was compressed in one very dense dot. Means what was there when nothing was there? Only a dot which was very dense. When out of the nothing, there appeared with a clatter. Means when nothing was there, then clatter sound came, a rattling sound. So one clatter happened, and from that clatter, a fat guy with reindeer and something the matter. Means then at that time, a fat guy appeared with a reindeer with the sound of rattling. His nose was all runny, means he was having cold and cough. He gave a sick hack, means he was looking like that he is sick. Oh dasher, oh dancer, I can't hold it back. Means he was feeling as he will sneeze. So for that reason he was saying that he is not able to hold his sneeze back. He huffled and snuffled and sneezed one achoo. Here it is given the meaning of huffled and snuffled, that he was breathing noisily because of cold. And he just sneezed. Then like 10 jillion volcanoes, jillion means children, in a very large number, many volcanoes came out. The universe blew. So this happened, so universe came into existence. Then that dense dot exploded like a bomb and is spewing out stars. So stars came, Earth came, Venus, Jupiter, Uranus and Mars. These all things came by an explosion. The universe expanded, the guy said with a wheeze, and wheeze meaning children, a whistling sound produced due to obstruction in the air, passage caused by accumulation of pen. So let's call it something much grander, alright. So who will ever believe the word started by sneeze? I hope children, when I am explaining this poem, you are getting that this is related to Big Bang Theory. In your social studies, you must have studied about it. So let's call it something much grander, alright. So Merry Big Bang to all, and to all Gesundheit. So Gesundheit means a German word it is, used to wish good health to someone who has just sneezed. It was all about the poem. It's really a funny poem. So now children, your assignment is that you have to write 8 lines of the poem with its poet name. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at home.